we come to physics and we are going calorimetry. Okay, question number 7. What is it?
An electric heater of power 600 watt
Electric heater whose power is
600 watt
600 watt. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होता है? P is equal to Q upon T. हाँ, तो ये है 600 watt. अब तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं P is equal to M into C into delta T upon 600. अब बताओ.
raise the temperature of 4.0 kg
है
raise the temperature of 4.0 kg rising
mass is 4.4 kg. हाँ. Then
of a liquid from 10 degrees Celsius
temperature T1 is 10 degrees Celsius to where? T2 कितना?
to 15 degrees Celsius
हाँ,
to 15 degrees Celsius in 100 seconds
15 degrees Celsius. In time is, इसको लिखेंगे T1, इसको लिखेंगे T2 और टाइम इज 100 सेकेंड्स है भाई.
yes
100 सेकेंड्स. चलो तुम्हारी बात मान ली. क्या निकालना है क्या?
heat capacity of 4 kg of liquid
हाँ,
heat capacity of 4 kg of liquid
ये स्पेसिफिक है ना. तो CL इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 600 into 100 divided by mass is 4 kg ना. और ये सब यार इसमें निकालना है. 4 kg रहने दो. अच्छा, और चेंज इन टेम्परेचर कितना हुआ? 15 माइनस 5 डिग्री का. तो कितना हुआ? 25. 5 से किया 5 3000 किलोग्राम पर जूल डिग्री सेल्सियस. व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
इसलिए heat capacity specific heat
नहीं, ये स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी हमने निकाली है.
इसमें
हीट कैपेसिटी निकालनी है. ओके, तो हीट कैपेसिटी निकाली इसमें किलोग्राम और ग्राम में निकाली है. ओके, तो ये कितना हो गया? इसका कितना है? हीट कैपेसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू CL, राइट. तो ये हो गया 4 kg into, no, this is I wrote wrong. That is 3000 joule per kg degree Celsius. This is the specific heat capacity. So this is 3000 joule per kg per kg degree Celsius. So this kg and kg is cancel out. It becomes 12,000 joule per degree Celsius. What is your answer?
1.2 into 10 की power 4 joule per kg.
क्या? हाँ ठीक है ना. तो heat capacity is equal to 1.2 into 10 की power 4 joule per degree Celsius. ये हो गया. हम एक काम और कर सकते थे यहाँ पे कि नहीं, वो उसके बिना काम चलता है. ये दोनों मिला के जो है हीट कैपेसिटी बन जाता है. लेकिन हाँ, so this is the only way to solve this. Done this? Should I rub? यहाँ पे जूल पर ग्राम किलोग्राम डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है, पर इसके कई राइट. ओके, व्हाट नेक्स्ट?
Find the time taken by a 500 watt heater.
क्वेश्चन नंबर
5.
6 नहीं.
Sorry, 6.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज व्हाट?
Find the time taken by a 500 watt.
टाइम फाइंड आउट करना है.
500 watt.
P is 500 watt
Heater to raise the temperature of 50 kg.
हाँ, mass is 50 kg.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Of material of specific heat capacity 960.
Material, so specific heat capacity of material is
960 joule per kg per
960 joule per kg degree Celsius.
From 18 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius.
T1 is 38 degree Celsius to T2, huh?
18 to 38.
18 degree Celsius to 38 degree Celsius.
Assume that all the heat energy supplied by heater is given to material.
That is okay. So again we know P is equal to W upon T, and we can write P is equal to Q upon T. So we can write P is equal to M into C into delta T upon P, right? So T is equal to mass is 50 kg. My god. Specific heat capacity of material is 960 joule per kg per degree Celsius. ठीक. Into change in temperature is 38 degree minus 18 degree upon 500 watt. Is it? बराबर. So this is 10 0. It is how much? 96 into 20 seconds. So it becomes 0, 12, 192 seconds, right? So 190, oh, 190 to 1 1920 seconds. 1920 seconds upon 60.
32 minutes.
So it becomes 3 times. It is 18. 112 0. 2 times 120. So it is 1920 divided by 60 minutes. So it becomes 32 minutes. Right? This was question number 6. Now what is question number 5 you have?
300, sorry, 1300.
Should I rub this? Question number 5, huh? क्या है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5?
1300 joule of heat
1300 joule. Yeah.
of heat is supplied to raise the temperature of 0.5 kg.
Mass is 0.5 kg and rise in temperature. Rise
from
in
20 degrees
temperature just wait. That is कितना?
20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius.
20 degrees Celsius to
40 degrees Celsius.
40 degrees Celsius. So we can write 40 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. So becomes 20 degrees Celsius rise.
Calculate the specific heat of lead.
Specific
Heat capacity of lead.
lead. This is for lead. Substance is equal to lead. So Q is equal to M into C PB into delta T. This is we have delta T, right? That is 1300 is equal to 0.5 into specific heat capacity of lead into 20. हाँ क्या भाई कितना हुआ? decimal 0 0 10 goes on. So 130 kg. 130. It is 130 joule per 130 joule per kg degree Celsius is specific heat capacity of lead. What is your answer?
130 joule per kg.
Degree Celsius. This is specific heat capacity of lead. Right. This was question number 5. What is 4?
Okay.
What is question number 4?
Amount of heat energy required. Calculate amount of heat energy required.
Question number 4, na?
Yes.
Amount of amount of heat energy required
to raise temperature of 100 gram of
required to
copper. Raise the temperature of 100 gram of copper.
raise the temperature of 100 gram
of water
of
copper
copper
from 20 degrees Celsius to 70
copper
degrees Celsius.
from 20 degrees Celsius to
70 degrees Celsius.
70 degrees Celsius.
Specific heat capacity of copper is 390 kg per joule.
390 kg नहीं जूल
per kg per degree
joule
Celsius.
per kg degree Celsius. This is right. So how you do this? Q is equal to M into C into delta T, right? So M is how much? 100 ग्राम लिखा हुआ है, तो इसको लिख दो 100 by 1000 किलोग्राम into 390 specific heat capacity into change in temperature is 70 minus 20, right? So how much it is? 100 upon 1000 into 390 into 50. आइए बराबर 2 times 50 becomes 100, 20, 5 times 20 becomes 100, right? So you get how much? 0. 9 times 5 becomes 45. We get 4. 3 times 5 becomes 15 or 49. So 1950 joule. What is your answer?
1950 joule.
So energy required is equal to 1950 joule. You done this?
Yes.
This was question number 4. Okay. This we have done.